Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to make green bean fry. Green bean fry curry, you can eat with rice or roti or anything. It's very tasty because I used raw coconut powder in here. You can use dry coconut powder also, but I bought this. I have this raw coconut frozen bag from Indian grocery stores. So those that one has pieces of raw coconut. I grinded them and used that powder. So that is very tasty. You can also use the dry coconut powder. And about a couple of pounds of green beans, I chopped them very finely using my new kitchen tool. It's not a new one, it's an old one, but I showed you today how to use that tool. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So this I also took about a cup of roasted cashew nuts. If you don't have roasted, you can roast them in the oil when you first in the beginning. This is a coconut powder I was talking about. I just took those raw coconut pieces and ground them into a powder, like paste or whatever. If you add some water, it will be a paste. But I didn't add any water. I wanted to try. So heat the pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil in there, because we have 2 pounds of green beans. It's a lot, so we need at least 3 tablespoons. So when the oil is warm enough, you put the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. But this is the time, if you want to use the curry leaves also, you can use it. Or if you don't have a roasted cashew nuts, this is the time for you to add the cashew nuts, raw ones, and fry them until slightly brown. But I have the roasted ones, so I don't worry about putting it now. So add the cumin and mustard seeds. And this is the chili paste. The chili paste, I'll put the link in the description. This chili paste, I make it and keep it for a while, like for a month or 2 or so. This green chilies, cumin seeds, and ginger and salt. So this paste, you put it, and don't try to roast it for a long time, because you're going to cough all over. It's very spicy. So I took about 1.5 tablespoon of chili paste. I put that. I fried it a little bit and then added the green bean pieces, the cut green beans. You can use the frozen green beans also, but the shape of it, when I cut them this small, it really makes me feel good when you're eating with roti or rice. So I mixed it well. Even though there is salt in the chili paste, we need to add some more salt, because that salt is very little. That's used for the preserving purpose. So I covered the lid. I put it on the medium flame and covered the lid and leave it for several minutes. I keep coming back and stirring it so it won't burn on the bottom. So see, I came back and stir it. It takes a while, like about 20-25 minutes. In those 20-25 minutes, you come about 4 or 5 times and mix it well, and cover it back and go. So that way the beans will cook well. You don't want to add any water in here. You don't need to, actually. See, they are cooked now. I didn't show you all the 20-25 minutes part, because I just showed you once in the middle. So how we need to mix it well. And this is now I came back, this is the last time, and it's all cooked. I'll show you a piece and see like how it is, well it is cooked. I'll crush the piece and show you. See, that's cooked. Throwing it away. Now add the salt. Actually, salt can make it cook faster too, but you can add it in the beginning also. Oh, the steam from the curry like made the turmeric stuck to the bottom. I took it out and mix it well with the turmeric. Since we have chili powder already, the salt I took about a teaspoon or so. It's up to your taste. You know, we already have in the chili paste, so I decided to take a little bit. This is the coconut powder. Used it, but since the beans are like 2 pounds, I don't think that is enough. So I started grinding some more, but I'll mix this and leave it now. I'll bring it back. I'll go grind it some more coconut and bring it back. This is the cashew nuts. I added the cashew nuts also. I put it still on the medium flame. See, it's ready. There are some pieces like, you know, they are small pieces. It doesn't matter. Actually, I like to chew on them when I'm eating. Get it? So you don't have to fry too long, but you can fry a little bit after you put the coconut powder to mix well and fry a little bit. So this you can eat actually if you put little less chili paste, you can eat as just like that without anything. It's very tasty. Green bean fry is ready. Eat with rice, roti, bread. Put it in between a couple of pieces of bread, slices of bread, and make a sandwich. And hope you like my video. Let me know how you like it, and any comments or suggestions are welcome. And thank you for watching.